रचना होगा। वक्त है कम लंबी मंजिल, तुम्हें तेज कदम चलना होगा। आनंद की अनमोल घड़ी, कौड़ी के भाव न बिक जाए। चलती सांसें अज्ञात मोड़ पर आकर के ना रुक जाए। आनंद की अनमोल घड़ी, कौड़ी के भाव न बिक जाए। चलती सांसें अज्ञात मोड़ पर आकर के ना रुक जाए। हो सफल तपस्या इसके हित, प्रभु कल्पों में पलना होगा। हे परम तपस्या के पथिकों, तुम्हें नूतन पथ रचना होगा। वक्त है कम लंबी मंजिल, तुम्हें
Om Shanti. Good evening, everybody. So today's topic is fast effort in a right direction. So our direction is Jivan Mukti, Vaya Mukti. And time is moving fast. The force of destruction are getting ready fast. So our efforts also should be fast. Now for that, our basic teaching of being soul conscious should be very firm, because Baba says you have to be 24 hours soul conscious. Then my stage should be very high, stable, unshakable. My thoughts should not be disturbed. And I should be in a karma yogi stage. So I should have full attention on my thoughts, because my thoughts will create atmosphere. And my thoughts are very valuable. Not a single thought should be wasted. I should have firm faith in myself that I'm going to be victorious. So if I keep courage, there is definitely help from Baba. I should not have any excuses or carelessness. Whatever I want to do, I should do now. Never have a thought that I will do sometime. Whatever weakness I have to finish immediately. Don't give any excuse, but give the solution. I will have to face exam papers. But I should have faith. I'll be passing it. And I must have this faith that I'll be victorious. I am a victorious jewel. I should have so much collection of imperishable powers, virtues, knowledge, love, that I am bestower. I am not expecting anything from anyone. Never say yes. If somebody will do this, I will do it. No. I have to do it, and I have to become Bap Saman. So the aim of being Bap Saman, perfect, karmatit, should be very clear. Mama never used to repeat the mistake again. Similarly, I should not make any mistake again. I should remain merged in Baba's remembrance. I should be churning gyan and remain merged in Baba's remembrance. My activities should be divine, and I should be enjoying supersensuous joy. My love for Baba should be deep. One Baba and no one else. Baba should be my family. And 3 dots should be pakka. Soul, Baba, and full stop in a second. I have to do subtle checking, and whatever weakness I have, I should immediately remove them. I should be Master Almighty Authority. I should be honest, introvert, and check myself. I should be in a flying stage. So I should be double light. I should not have any burden, and soul is already light. And the wings of zeal and enthusiasm should be strong. Not a single attachment should pull me down. I should be pakka on Shrimat. Those who are staying in family remain pure and united, worthy children, and surrender. We should know the value of the time and not waste a single second. Save the time and not waste time in fighting with Maya. Be powerful and conqueror of Maya. My yoga should be very powerful, volcanic yoga. I should be giving blessing and receiving blessing. Whilst moving around, I should be feeling angelic. I should be bodiless, and I should be able to pack up my thoughts in a second. My thoughts, words, and action should be equal. I should not wait for destruction. I should be ready before. Now or never, mantra should be pakka. My old sanskar nature should be totally changed. There should not be I and mine. Baba's sanskars should be my sanskar. I will not say, I'll do sometime, I'll change sometime. No, I must do it now. I must finish my weakness now. I should be simple, sample, and Baba's worthy child. Not comfort lover and not careless, but alert and accurate. So this should be my effort or stage. Now the question asked on this subject are, with the apparent end of the pandemic, two sets of expectations are there. Visions and predictions have emerged. On one hand, there is Lokik mindset. We'll soon be okay again. On the other hand, there is what we Baba's children are told, the whole world is about to be destroyed. How do we lift others, their spirits, knowing what we know, and then hoping for something else? I find Lokik as well as Alokik people, some of them are very optimistic. They think everything will be okay soon. It's not easy to convince them that destruction is very close. They will keep on going at their own space. Slowly thinking everything will be fine. It is when they see the last scenes of drama, of destruction, then they will believe us and come to us for receiving help. Next question is, how do we know that others even want to hear from the Brahma Kumaris now? If they do, what should they hear most urgently? I find it's difficult to give people direct message that destruction is just ahead or God has come. In India, in every conference, in every lecture, most of the lectures will say, Shiv Baba has come. But in the West, in webinar, web conferences, BKs are still giving them general message on general topic. Because at the moment, the topic on environment is very important and interesting, and many people want to talk about or know about it. Reviving higher self, inner beauty, coping with stress with positivity. Such topics are taken nowadays. And in that topic, we do mention that what are the benefits of meditation, how to meditate, and we guide them to the meditation centers locally. It is challenging, even for BKs, next question, to completely ignore the news of the world. Even a latest Avyakt signal regarding this, given through Vedanti Ben, Bap Dada did not require a total blackout of information. He said to listen less to the news of the world at this time. How much less should that be? And which aspect of the news should we still need to stay updated on? Brahma Baba in 1960s used to say, listen to the news of the world for 10 to 15 minutes. And he used to listen every night, BBC radio news, because those days there were not so much television. So read or listen headlines. No need to go in detail of the news. Nowadays, we have to keep update on COVID-19 and local news, what is happening in your country and over the world. But as I said, maximum 15-20 minutes. Next question is, Bap Dada reminds us that the forces of destruction are moving very fast. Does Didi feel the children are able to keep in step with these forces? Why or why not? Yes, forces of destruction are moving fast. I don't think BKs are able to have that much speed in their effort, because they are still busy with verbal service, social media, internet surfing, or many other interests in the old world. They don't have complete disinterest in the old world, and also no detachment to body and bodily relations, and especially Asian countries. There is a lot of attachment, dependency on lockics. Fifth question, There is apparently still so much settlements to be made in the area of relationships. This has been heightened by physical separation that forcibly took place in people's lives during pandemic. The longing to reunite with estranged family members, parents, children, spouses, siblings, is strong. How can BKs best manage this? Especially in Asia and South America, there is a lot of attachment to family and friends. And there is expectation that wealthy relatives to support poor niece, nephew, etc. So one has to be detached to manage the situation and do as little as they can manage. Next question. One cannot silence the mind, and the priority is what is essential until he stops being amazed or impressed. On the other hand, science continues to dazzle with new information and technology, fuels world events. Last week, scientists declared that the earth was spinning faster than at any other time in the last 50 years. They said the shortest 28 days on record occurred last year in 2020. What's the danger of giving too much time, attention, and importance to these things? Yes, science and technology brings a lot of information, and that's where we have to limit our time in reading such things, not spend too much time in reading or sharing or reacting, because sometimes that may create worry or fear. Next question is, given what we believe about the future, that there is no stopping destruction anyway, how urgent or important it is for BKs to protect themselves from illness. More specifically, getting the anti-COVID vaccine. Unfortunately, Baba hasn't given us the exact date of destruction. So until we are alive, we have to take care of our body. Because if we say, okay, we are going to die, then why we are eating? Same thing. We have to look after the health of the body, giving it healthy diet, exercise, etc. And I suggest everyone to take anti-COVID vaccine. And I myself have already taken 2 doses. And we have to take precaution, wearing mask, keeping social distance, washing hands often, etc. 8th question. Many of us have resolved to be focused on and attentive to everything that Baba is saying with urgency. At the same time, we are seeing practically that Maya is doing her most creative and best work to make us fail. If I am struggling with this, what is lacking in my effort? If anyone fails due to Maya's creative work, it means that person is not knowledgeable enough of Maya and not having clean and clear intellect to recognize Maya, and also not Master Almighty. The reason is they are not keeping constant company of Baba, and they are not Master Almighty authority. If they have clear intellect, they will recognize Maya, and seeing them with Baba, Maya will run away from distance. Next question is, how do I know that I am dragging my feet, and what would it take to make that big jump? Dragging feet is first stage, high jump is second stage, but Baba nowadays wants us to be flying. So we need to keep our two wings of zeal and enthusiasm very strong. We have to be very light, double light, soul conscious lightness and no responsibility. Baba being responsible, I being instrument, and have refined petrol, that is refined intellect, pure intellect. Follow Srimad is our safety belt, so we should be flying. And the last question is, on the other hand, how do I know that I am moving along at the right speed? And how do I sustain that? Is the right speed the same for every soul? Yes, right speed is the same for all souls, just as Gyan is, Murli is the same for everybody, new or old, child or adult or old person. And destination or the direction is same. What we need to pay attention is not to be distracted by sightseeings, because there is so many interesting things happening in the world. So we have to have right speed, and I have given in the beginning that we have to be soul conscious all the time, in Baba's remembrance all the time, and spending our thoughts, time, words, and energy in Baba's service and not wasting a single thought or single second or single energy. So paying attention to all the things that I told in the beginning is essential.
Didi, the question is how to forgive the people who have hurt us and humiliate us and move on. It's not easy for me to practically forgive them since I haven't got the justice for it. And it's quite hard for me to just accept it as my karma.
If you don't forgive, you can't forget. Now, whoever has done any harm or hurt you, either they have cleared your karma with them, or Baba will give justice to them. They will suffer in future. So don't think that they should get justice right now and they should be punished immediately. Because as you know, punishment of vikarma will be until end or even in Dharmaraj Puri. So be patient and give full stop to the past. Forget that. Keep your mind busy in churning Gyan, remembering Baba, being Swadarsan Chakradhari, and doing service. Because if you don't forgive them, you have negative thoughts. So you are wasting your time in negative thoughts, negative feeling, and you are taking sorrow.
Didi, two key words from the topic today are fast and right. Keywords, fast and right. At present, the fast and right method to stop the role of COVID-19 is vaccination. Likewise, do we have a similar injection to stop Maya's rule? We have injection to stop Maya's rule.
What injection we should have to stop Maya?
Maya's rule, yeah, Maya.
To stop Maya, what you need to be under canopy of Baba. In old days, we used to say that we are warriors fighting with Maya. Mm-hmm. And in the old days, they used to wear iron, what is it, to protect chest.
Okay, that kavach. In Hindi, it's called kavach, but armor.
Armor. Or in the old days, the soldiers used to have whole body covered with iron body. Nowadays, the presidents and VIPs, they wear bulletproof jacket. And our bulletproof jacket is Baba's remembrance. So, don't be afraid of Maya. If you are afraid of Maya, naturally Maya is also clever, she will attack you. And don't let one even minor form of Maya have courage, Baba will help.
Didi, I want some clarification that when my loved one left the body, one closed loved one, I saw and sensed him in a subtle form with my third eye. Is this called visions, and is it granted by Baba or departed soul? I can sense that soul, that person in a subtle form.
I don't think it is granted vision by Baba, but it is your connection with that departed soul and departed soul's connection. So they come and say goodbye or clear karmic account.
Didi, whatever good things happen, we say Baba. It's because of Baba it's happened. If any bad things happen, we say karma. Baba can't change the drama. Whatever is in the drama happens. So what does it mean by Baba's help? In drama, it happens according to drama. So what does it mean by Baba's help?
The thing is, Baba's help makes difficult things easy, impossible becomes possible. And we can feel, because many times a lecturer said, I really didn't prepare my lecture so well, but Baba helped me to give a very good lecture. I had such a good touching and it went very well. Or many times we never expected any help from anyone, and suddenly some help comes from somewhere where somebody is touched by Baba to come and help us. So I would say Baba's help is there. Yes, it was according to drama that person came to help us, but mainly the inspiration came from Baba. So if anything went wrong, we say karma and drama. That because of my karma, that somebody hurt me, I must have hurt that person in the past. And it was in drama that it happened at this time. So it's a, I would say, complex thing. Baba, drama and karma. All the three are acting together.
Didi, how to not be racist? How to not be racist and accept everyone as part of our country's citizens. I cannot accept foreigners who stay in my country because they are not really part of my country. I feel they don't deserve to live in my country and they have to go back to their country.
I'm sorry to say you are not yet soul conscious. You are thinking my country. Why do you think it's your country? And why you think others have no right to be in your country? Baba says, go beyond I and mine. Nothing is mine. Everything is Baba's. All countries are Baba's, or children are Baba's. So Baba's children are everywhere. And when you come to Madhuban, I hope you have been to Madhuban, and when you come to Madhuban, do you feel this is my home? Or you will think, oh, it is Indian's home, or Madhubanvasi's home. So don't have that limited consciousness. Have spiritual attitude that all are my brothers, and have spiritual love for them. This is also body consciousness, to have this racist attitude.
Didi, will new BKs be called Mukh Vanshavali or Sankalp Vanshavali? Will new BKs become only the Praja or can become Rajas and Sahukars? Can they go to Satyug or now it's only Treta ticket available? Treta Yug ticket available. The new BKs were becoming. Will they be called as Mukh Vanshavali?
Yeah.
Or Sankalp Vanshavali, or will they be, and also they will become Raja, or will they become Praja Saukar, or they will come to Satyug, or will they come to Treta Yug?
This seems not a BK, because you are saying you BK's thing. I mean, she is not a BK.
New BKs, not you BKs.
Yeah, huh?
New
BKs.
New.
New BKs. Yeah. I thought you BKs.
No, new BKs.
Everybody is known as Mukh-Vanshavali, whether new or old. Nobody is called Sankalp Vanshavali. Oh. I have never heard that word. This seems her new terminology.
Her invention, that person's invention.
So whether they come in golden age, silver age, or anywhere, they are known as Brahma Mukh-Vanshavali, because the knowledge has been passed from Brahma via whatever it is.
So that the new BK can go to Satyug also if we make Purusharth.
Of course. To that extent, Dadi says they can be part of 8 or part of 108 rosary. Don't think new BKs are hopeless. Baba says last can go fast and come first. So they have got all chance to go first.
We are getting directions from the same Sakar Murlis every 5 years. It gets repeated, no? To get the best benefit according to the present time, what kind of consciousness should we maintain now?
Should be?
Maintain.
Now.
Now.
Everybody has to maintain soul consciousness, Baba's remembrance, and now what we need to see, not just to listen to the Murli, but be in that state at that time. Suppose Baba is talking about soul world, then we should take our mind immediately to soul world. So, listening and experiencing And Baba gave a long murli on churning and becoming the embodiment of Gyan.
Didi, why some in this yagya, some BKs come early, some later? So is it because of the karmic account is very low, karmic accounts is low for the newcomers compared to the ones who live in the yagya for years? According to this person, those who are living in the yagya for years, they have lot of karmic accounts.
Good karma.
No, karmic accounts, lot of issues. So, but those who are coming later, they have less karmic accounts. So, is it fixed in the drama that way?
Everything is fixed in drama. But those who have come early, they are fortunate that they had long time to be with Baba, get teaching, have powerful yoga, do good service. So they are, I would say, more fortunate, less karmic account, not more karmic account.
Yes, very nice. Didi, please explain how when I am loving to Almighty Authority, I automatically become loving to the souls. Sometimes I'm loving to the Baba, sometimes I become loving to the souls. How does that happen? What should I do?
It's good because I think today or yesterday only the Murli was saying, if you love Baba, yes, it was in yesterday's blessing. When you love Baba, you love Baba's children. So it's not that you love only Baba, but you love all Brahmins also.
But no attachment.
No attachment. That's the speciality. Today also Baba was saying, no, that he loves everyone, but no attachment. So we have to have love for all souls, whether they are Brahman or not Brahman. Love for all of them, spiritual love, brotherly love. So it's good to have love for all.
One good BK brother, he is watching bad movies even in the 70 years, even the old age. How to save that person good wish and give good wishes. In the last moment, how to save BKs from this subtle maya and vices.
What we advise, this is addiction to watch pornography or such movies. And what we need to tell them to give up their computer for a while. Because when it is in front of them, they are tempted to see those things. So it needs a lot of determination on the part of a weak soul to give up that addiction. Because nowadays, no, Baba says, as you become old, Maya also becomes strong with you. Whatever you didn't do in your young age, Maya may tempt you to do in your old age. So Maya is very strong and you have to be careful.
Some BKs practice only becoming peace, happiness, and they neglect practicing the point of light form. Is it also a right practice?
Can you repeat it?
they practice only becoming peace, experiencing peace and happiness. And they neglect practicing the point of light form. Is it also a right practice?
No. You have to experience Baba's all powers, not only peace and happiness, bliss, cheerfulness, love, knowledge. All these Baba's powers one has to experience, and for that we need to be in a seed stage or the point form. So we have to have aim to reach that stage that I am point and merge in Baba, the ocean, the point.
Brahma Baba will be playing part as Dharma very soon. Then who is going to play Shankar, role of Shankar during destruction?
Shankar is only symbolic form, is the form of our tapasya. So we are all going to play the part of Shankar. Brahma will only play the part of Dharmaraj.
Connected to Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, Didi, and one more question. Is the subtle deities Shankar, Vishnu and Brahma at subtle region has souls? If yes, then will Vishnu and Shankar also play their part physically, similar like Brahma Baba?
No. Shankar doesn't have a soul and doesn't need to play the part physically. It's just the form of for vision to give us the experience of our great tapasvi form.
There are two questions connected to today's Murli about human soul and animal soul. What is the difference between human soul and animal soul? Does animal soul have intellect? And another question connected to that is, Mama Murli was in Mama's Murli. It was mentioned souls of animals.
Acha, let us
cannot go
start
to
first
the-
question.
Okay.
The difference between each and every animal is different. All have mind, intellect, sanskars. But the development of mind is not so much. Like human mind is developed most. We can remember so many things of the past. We can read and change ourselves. We can listen to the sermon, transform ourselves. Whereas animals don't have that much intellect. They have feeling, they feel for their spouse, children, etc. They protect them, they train them, etc. But they don't have such refined in mind.
It is mentioned in Mama's Murli that animal world has their own, and this world of humans souls is our own. Does that mean animals don't come to the soul world? So human soul world is different and animal soul world is different?
Baba hasn't clarified that. But today's Murli was indicating that they don't go to the soul world.
Okay.
Mama's Murli, some question was there?
Yeah, in Mama's Murli also it was mentioned about animals, so it was connected to that. I, the soul, am point of light. So light here is the soul is made of virtues of peace and happiness.
It has got all virtues.
Yeah. The
The
light
soul-
energy is made out of virtues, the feelings itself.
Soul
It's
has
not
all
clear.
virtues,
All virtues, yeah.
not only peace and love, all virtues are there in the soul.
Baba says to use correct method to become victorious. What is the correct method to become victorious? How do I know I am using the correct method? How can I know my speed of transformation is enough to be ready before time?
In each and every Murli, Baba gives us Srimad, direction, and order also. So, what one needs to do is follow Baba's direction and Srimad accurately. And how do I know whether I am moving in a
Right direction so that I can finish my transformation before the last.
If you are progressing in your spiritual effort, becoming more happy, never taking sorrow, if you are remaining light, not having any negativity or weaknesses or vices, then naturally you are moving in the right direction. So day by day your improvement means you are going in a right direction.
Didi, how do we get to know if we are clearing the past karmas or creating new karmas?
If we are doing charitable karma, we are doing new karma. If we are suffering health-wise, wealth-wise, relationship-wise, it's clearing past karma. Because this is the last time of the cycle. That's where we are either creating or clearing.
Didi, in Madhuban, we are creating memorial places for Brahma Baba. It's already there. We are creating memorials for Dadis, but not for our Mama. Is there any significance in that?
Mama left body before Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba didn't want all these things. He didn't want us to keep his own photo, anybody else's photos. And so Baba didn't allow us to create memorial. But after Brahma became avyakt, children started doing their own thing. And so they started creating memorial. First Brahma's translate and photo in each and every center and sometimes each and every room. Because whilst Brahma was there, he didn't want his photo everywhere.
Didi, actually we have lots of questions. It's 5 o'clock. So what do you think? There are lots of questions still.
Yobai, what do you think?
How do we get the answer from Piyobai? Okay.
कितने हैं?
और है 5-6.
Let's see.
Okay.
If same person is asking,
No,
don't answer.
different. Sometimes we experience some in yoga, but when it comes in reality, we fail. What is the reason and how to make it more practical?
The thing is, Baba has given us weapons. What we need to do is refine those weapons of Jnana and Yoga and use the right weapon at the right time. If you don't practice it beforehand, because soldiers can't just go in the field and are able to fight and win. They have to practice it long time to be able to use it in a right way and kill the enemy and be victorious. Same thing, Jnana and Yoga have to be practiced all the time before we are able to implement in our practical life.
Pioba is saying that we can take it next week. We can take other questions next week. Because there's no Zoom today, so many have connected to YouTube and many questions in the YouTubes.
Okay, so we finish with 2 minutes meditation and Om Shanti.
शिव पिता की याद दिल से ना बिसारिए, शिव पिता की याद दिल से ना बिसारिए, एक पल तो प्यार से उसको निहारिए, शिव पिता की याद दिल से ना बिसारिए, शिव पिता की याद दिल से। जिंदगी की शाम बने कौन सा बहाना, किस मोड़ पर रुकेगी सांसों का क्या ठिकाना, चादर हो जितनी उतना ही पग को पसारिए, एक पल तो प्यार से प्रभु को निहारिए, शिव पिता की याद दिल से ना बिसारिए, शिव पिता की याद दिल से।
Om Shanti.